The negative Reggae Boyz fan. Don't be this person.
So brother, I really take up your hard earned money to go watch Reggae Boyz play. Reggae Boyz. But you say you want to see me see my youth, because I couldn't wait to watch. Dog, me lock on my TV after I first school. I make up my mind, say me not watching 6 Love. Me not doing it. I'm done with them days, man. Are you just coming like I'm a big idiot? Brother, me tell you, stop watching man play my youth. The man them not gonna win my youth. You know, so me have a strong feeling that if we put the Sunshine Girl them out there, they would win the match. Me feel like I'm beat Argentina. You vote this bad enough could hold on to the one love. You know, so from last time I still try to figure out what we do in that match. Not even one shot when I take off a goal, brother. Brother, a long time reggae coach would say it, you remember? We not go nowhere. I feel like say a man like all Messi would have want to come play for all of Jamaica. Brother, if I even want one match, brother, show with little class. You see me? I'm not gonna lie to you still. I'm sorry, say Jamaica lose the match. But you know, say Argentina on my side, so I'm glad say them win. But tell you still, you know, when such and such man in the team, we not play good. I tell you already. But you're not gonna hear that. I'm looking to tell me if I get a 12 love. I feel like I ramp Argentina, they ramp with them. What if it's a buyout match? Alright, this is why I said the coach not gonna make the difference. Or if you start 4 round back against Argentina, you have to start about 5 or 6 round back my youth. Remember say Tapa don't set the blueprint already, you have to follow it in my youth. Nah, like, brother, we have to give thanks to only second half Messi playing. Imagine if the man did start the match, my youth had about 20 love we under. You see, let me tell you a long time, so Jamaica never they go win. What you think they are going to happen? What you think they are going to happen? Yeah, but looking at the stands, them outnumber with Panny Field and in at the stands, not even 10,000 fans could go support the team. No, sir. None tall. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I say a prayer before the match. But you saw me see how the first goal square? I say, alright, God not answer that prayer here. The team not gonna win until Jamaica Futsal Federation get a shake up. Until them time there, worries.